What's going on, guys? This is John from Euro Driven. Today I'm going to show you guys how I wash my car. If you're new to my channel and like my videos, please make sure to subscribe. So for today's wash, I'll be using these products. For shampoo, I use the Ultimate Wash and Wax by Meguiar's. I highly recommend it. For my rims, I use the Sonax wheel cleaner, and for my I use this as my spray cannon that I got from Amazon. So as you can see, the car from far looks clean, but it's very dirty. You see that? The rims. You see? Very dirty. So I'll be showing you guys how I wash my car, and trust me, the results are spectacular. When washing my rims, I like to have a bucket beside me, and inside this bucket I have water and dishwashing soap, and I have a wheel brush by Easy Detail, a regular brush, and a rim brush. So I first start off spraying the Sonax wheel cleaner. Spray it inside the rim. And now I wait for 3 to 5 minutes. So now, once the rim turns purple, that's when I get my rim brush and I start going in. Cleaning inside the rim first, getting all that brake dust off. I do this on every car wash, and you'll see why. And this brush goes in through the brake calipers, where it's very tough for many brushes to get in, but this one goes in perfectly. I don't know if you can hear from the mic, you can hear all that sizzling. That's from the dishwashing soap. And into the spokes. And then I use this brush to go around the tires. Inside the wheel fender. The outside surface of the rim. And the small brush, I go into the tighter areas. That's where it's very difficult with the brake brush. Now I rinse off the wheel. Every time I clean my rims, I like to do this test for my satisfaction. All clean.
I'll never forget you since you told me hi on a starry night. It was easy to catch me with your big brown eyes and the way you smile. I guess I just believe the things that scare me. I'm holding on, I'm holding on. I just wanna get you forever.
My last wash, I waxed it, and as you can see, it's beating like crazy.
I just wanna get you.
So with the leftover clean soap I have, I use it to clean the mats with the brush. So I left my mats to dry right now. In the meantime, I'm going to be cleaning up my workspace, and after I'm going to be washing my windows and addressing tire damage on my tires. What's going on, guys? I just finished washing my car. That took around 2.5 hours. I'm quite exhausted. Now I'm going to be applying invisible glass, which is this product here. Or if I can find it. Here it is. Oh. This product here, I highly recommend it. It literally makes your glass invisible. So when cleaning the glass, I usually have 2 towels right over here. I have 2 different colors. One for applying the invisible glass and one for drying it off. So I'll be showing you guys the results. So here's a quick look of the glass. Looks pretty clean on camera. So first shake it, then apply it. So I use the yellow to spread the invisible glass. And now to dry it, I use the orange. And look at that. It's like a mirror. See? It's literally a mirror. Alright guys, I just finished applying the invisible glass. Now I'm going to be applying the tire dressing. So what I use is this brand. It's one of these spray-ons. And they're cheap and they're okay, you know, not too bad. You can't complain. So guys, I'll be applying the tire dressing. I'm going to be showing you a trick what I do. So I first shake it. They say stand 6 inches away from the tire, and you wait. Oh, there we go. And you spray. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, holding the camera, one hand spraying. I'm gonna do 2 coats. And what I do to make the car look clean, even though the wheel, like the inside the fender, it's clean, I apply some tire dressing. Since these are so cheap, I'm very generous on spraying. So just get in there, and you'll see the end result. They're already clean. You don't know if you can see through the camera. They're clean, but this makes it shinier. You know, gives that new car look. So what I do when I apply the tire dressing, a lot of it gets on the rim. You see? So I get my old microfiber cloth, and I just spread it around the rim, and it makes the rim shiny. See? And after when I'm done with my microfiber cloths, I throw into the laundry machine, and they come out clean again. This is a good technique. brightens up the wheels. You see? Let me focus. There we go. Shiny. Alright guys, car is complete. As you can see, it's shiny, just like new. So here's a little walk around. It's in the beginning. I showed you how dirty the rim was, as you can see. Clean. Clean. The back didn't touch, like I mentioned. It's already clean. The wheels. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the when I spray the wheel well. You see how I don't know if you can see through the camera, but it looks shiny. This is how I wash my car every time, every car wash. When I wash it at home. It's tiring, but so satisfying. See your car all shiny. Beautiful. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any suggestions, make sure to leave those in the comments. Also, subscribe and like. Thanks guys.